Once again, in this week's parsha, we meet the crushing, the beams that were created as the walls of the Mishkan. Now, something very interesting about the crushing. If you look on bottom, they have the sockets. The Torah states, ta'amim milmata. They are twinned on bottom. They are flush, as you could see. They all look the same, but they weren't connected. Each beam had its own socket. But if you look on top, over there, you have rings. Each of them are interconnected to each other with the rings. The Torah says on top, yachdav milmala. They were one on top. What's the difference? Why in bottom does the Torah say they were flush or twinned? They're not the same, but on top, they were the same. They were actually one unit. Schwab brings down a beautiful idea when it comes to marriage. The Torah says, Ubasar echad, a husband and wife become one flesh. But Schwab asks, really? Do they become one? The differences, the different attitudes. The Schwab says that when it comes into marriage, we have to understand a husband and wife will always be different. They'll try to work a lifelong mission to try to train themselves to be like each other. But physically, they'll always be different. That is represented on bottom by ta'amim, twin, but not the same. But in the spiritual realm, which is represented by the top, that a husband and wife become one. The mitzvahs, the Torah learning, the building up a family to serve HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that is something where a husband and wife can actually become one. And on top, they become yachda, they become one. And that is represented by the ring. The ring given over by the husband to the wife under the chuppah represents the spiritual realm where husband and wife become one.